changes.
Hey, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to the channel. I didn't really want to make this video. Typically I don't make them on these topics, but it's Wednesday the 28th of April 2021, and we all know eBay is a glitch of glitchapaloozas half of the time. There's non-stop glitches. eBay, if you're watching my videos, sorry, facts are facts. You guys have a $12 billion company and there's always glitches. It's been going on forever. Go check my YouTube channel history, right? Excuse me. So this morning, I think it started last night, the night of the 27th, 28th. It looks like on the mobile app, first class shipping is not working. It is a glitch, guys. eBay is not getting rid of first class shipping. It is a glitch. It looks to be isolated to mobile only. However, last night, I did see somebody who said on the computer they were having to refresh it over and over again. It did eventually work on the computer, but it does look like it's isolated to mobile. It will fix itself. A few of you have already had luck. I printed out a bunch of first class labels this morning right off my computer. Done. Now I know a ton of people want to operate just mobile. They love the idea of phone and tablet only, and that's how they do it. And it's great, but this is one of the reasons why I don't do it. You can't do everything on a tablet and a phone, even if you get a wireless printer or you know how to hook up your printer from the router and the Ethernet in order to print wirelessly on any thermal printer, which it can be done, guys. By the way, I link thermal printers below. Long story short, I work off my computer because there's just times that you can't do everything on the mobile that you want to do. And to follow that up, generally speaking, when there are glitches, almost always it is the mobile apps that have more problems than the desktop and the websites. I don't know why. You would think in a mobile world that wouldn't happen. It does, but eBay, come on, guys, get it together with the glitches. Let's make this stop happening. Why is it the one thing that eBay fails on over and over and over again is the back end and the engineering and the website development? I know they're constantly making changes and updating, and it's tough, and they've got servers and millions of customers and all this, but come on, guys. I've been a seller on Amazon for 7 years, 8 years. One glitch I can think of off the top of my head in all the years of selling on Amazon. So anyways, long story short, it's a glitch. Wait it out, keep refreshing, go to a computer, do whatever you have to do to get your labels. Otherwise, it should return to normal soon. I would think today or tomorrow at the latest, hopefully by tonight. So that's my quick little short update video for you guys. I have another really important video coming about Facebook Marketplace today. It's going to be up in just a few hours following this one. So do make sure you stay tuned to the channel. Also, in the event that something is not working correctly, especially when it comes to eBay, please don't go share bad or wrong information like eBay got rid of first class shipping on social media and all. If you don't know, don't say that you called a rep and they told you to. Just all this weird stuff that I've seen today. I've seen like dozens and dozens of posts saying all kinds of different things. Come check my YouTube channel for videos like this. Check my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. If something drastically big is changing or happening, I will post it. Otherwise, assume it's a glitch like this. I don't always post videos about every glitch, but this one got out of control. At the very least, I'll just post something like a post or a story on Facebook or Instagram just saying, hey guys, there's a glitch. Go to my Facebook group, Thrifter Reseller World. It's linked below as well. Join the group because people will post in there asking, hey, it looks like first class is messed up. Can we confirm this is a glitch? Yes, it's a glitch. Boop, done. So very easy. Just don't go spreading stuff like wildfire and rumors or whatever. So with that said, I'll leave you guys to get back to it, and I'll see you a little bit later with the Facebook Marketplace video. Thank you, you guys. Bye.